CADAC chair, and we started the interagency issue. The DDB before was a small bureau under the Department of Health. So, medyo kabisado ko ang takbo mo. Ngayon, magkakaroon ng spunk yun. Vice President ang co-chair eh. Eh di siyempre, mas dapat magsipag sila. At mas dapat maging masigasig sila.
Saan i-address?
Yung legality po na wala namang co-chair dun sa original.
Walang problema legality nun. Anything can be done by the President. It's in the Constitution. Nasa Constitution yan. Lahat kasama sa powers ng Presidente mag-create ng gano'n.
So, hindi kayo
Hindi dapat questionin yan. Kahit yung first year law student, alam niya.
Where would you want her to focus? Saan niyo siya gustong mag-focus? Kasi sabi niya enforcement and pero kasama pa rin yun sa enforcement, sir. So yung mas sa tingin niyo...
It's a different story. Enforcement is a different story also.
Okay.
I don't think she will be effective there.
Okay.
She will be very effective in prevention and rehabilitation. As a matter of fact, she may even be effective also as prosecution concerns. Kasi baka mas magandang nakamantay yung interagency chair tungkol sa mga cases na